let me show you how we can use circle to search on the Motorola Moto G87. So if you use 3 buttons for navigation on your Motorola Moto G87, then you want to press and hold your finger on the home button for like a second or two until this overlay shows up. And if you use gestures for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar that we have at the bottom of the screen. And you want to hold it for 2 or 3 seconds as well. Now, once we have this overlay enabled, then you should be able to select anything on your screen that you want to use as a reference to search in Google. So for example, if I select this area over here, then as you can see, it is now selected and I use it as a reference in Google search. You might see some AI overview, like a little description. You might be able to find some other images that are somewhat related to the selected area. And if you want, you can still adjust it. In case something was selected incorrectly, you can still adjust it by grabbing by these white corners. Besides that, instead of selecting something by drawing a shape, you can just simply tap on a thing on your screen and then it works as well. Of course, like I said, you can still adjust the reference area in case it was selected incorrectly. But besides that, it also works with texts. I mean, you can, for example, tap on a text in order to select it, and then it's going to be used to search for something in Google. But also you can, for example, copy the text, you can translate it, and so on and so forth. So, of course, it is also worth checking that out. Now, besides that, we have a couple of additional features that are provided by Circle to Search. Like, for example, we have this music node icon, which allows you to search for a song. So if you can hear a song somewhere in the background, and if you wish to know the title of the song, then you can enable this option and then let Google try to pick the song up. It can try to recognize the song, and if it does, you should be able to get Google search results with the song title. You can also play the song by yourself, you can sing it or hum it, and most of the time it works as well. Not only that, we also have the screen translation. So here we can tap on this translate button that we have on the right side. Then most of the time the language should be correctly at least detected. And here we can also choose the target language, so you should be able to translate the content of your screen. Unfortunately, on Motorola Moto G87, we don't have the scrolling option available just yet. It is available on some other smartphones. Here it is not available. But in the future, I assume it's going to be added as well, so you might be able to find like a little hand icon here. And after activating it, you should be able to scroll up and down to keep the translation enabled, and it's going to update after scrolling on your screen. And that is pretty much it. That's how you can use Circle to Search. Now, of course, if pressing and holding a finger on the home button or the navigation bar doesn't work for you and it doesn't activate Circle to Search, then in that case you want to open the settings on your phone, then scroll down a little bit and go to gestures over here. And then in the gestures, you should be able to find system navigation. And here, make sure that Circle to Search is enabled. Leave a like and subscribe.